Good. It's 7:42 a.m. That morning ride took 26 plus minutes. Today is 10th October. Climate is about 10 to 12 degrees out there. And the sun's finally come out. As you can see, it's cloudy today. I'm already showered. I love cold temperature. I just love it. My body just adapts very well. Feeling good. Definitely good. I'm here again. I fall down. Rats, I'm coming for you. No, not you. Not you. No. It's all gone. Damn it. They didn't make it. Today. No. Whatever. Alright. It's gonna be the last time of this month to be here. Those are pretty heavy. Now it's time to figure out how to bring those stuff home. It goes smoothly. It is so heavy. 15 liters of minor water. Gotta get it going home. It went so smoothly and so quick that at the most takes about an hour and a half. 15 liters, it's 15 kilograms. My check arm just can't handle this. I hate the bridge. And you? What are you? The podcast. It just literally has no space for those stuff. Well, those are okay. I've kept studying English until now, except the metro trip. So far, it must has been proven. Here is my diary. Having learning and copying the novel hours upon hours, I can't wait to have a rest, which I mean to start watching YouTube with or searching something on Google with some stuff that I'm interested. However, nothing should be done before this daily diary. There I am trying to use the way that the novel had to create some next level sentences. Improvements have been already shown by yesterday's diaries. The train has come. Have already done this diary so far. It has considerably the best way of practicing writing, while stronger confidence have been built and faster speed of sentences have been created. I'm closer and closer to the band 6.5, the IELTS band. It's been non-stop processing except the metro trip, which is very short period of time, getting into study at 9 a.m. So until now, I am hankering some relax and refreshments. Battery dies, oh my god. I have to use this instead of external microphone. It's not gonna work because it's taken by the power bank. And whatever, at least I kept what I already had, and it's gonna be better if it's still gonna be a sunny day tomorrow. The study is not being easy, I tell you. Alright, it's gonna be a hard working night without watching YouTube videos. I'm tired. I'm kinda lazy. I don't wanna do it. Do it! Okay. Do it. So it's okay. Dr. Watson. Dr. Watson, Michelle Holmes said, Stanford, introducing us.